When we leave our home country, we also leave behind almost everyone we've known. Our friends and family have a huge role in our lives, and even though technology helps us keep in touch, it's not the same. In some cases, the time difference makes our communication with them even more challenging. The role they played in our lives is now incomplete, and we have to fill in the gap if we are to feel that we are not alone. Our family and friends can't be replaced, as our shared history made our relationships deep and strong. But finding people we can really talk to over a cup of coffee or a beer is definitely a huge step in settling in abroad. It brings back something normal to our life, and this sense of normal is exactly what we need. Research shows that 45% of expat spouses are mostly friends with other expats. That research surveyed people from many nationalities in many host countries, so it's difficult to interpret it accurately, but let's go over some possible reasons. In my experience, developing countries have a very strong expat community due to the international schools and expat events, among other things. Language also has a huge impact, especially in countries whose language is esoteric. Lastly, but no less importantly, other expat spouses understand what we're going through during a difficult time in our lives. This shared experience is bonding us automatically in an important way, as we can understand each other in a way others can't. Expats usually have online communities, and it helps if you know where to look. The first place that comes to mind is Facebook. There are many local communities, and you can search for them in English or in your native language. Look for groups named expats in a city or country, like expats in Riga or expats in Italy. Another common name is your nation's expats in the country or city, like Canadians in Sydney or Germans in New York. You can join these groups before you move, and I encourage you to do so, as the members there can help you with any questions you may have or give you helpful tips about the city and country. Another good place to be in are instant messaging apps like WhatsApp, where it's available. In China, for example, WhatsApp is blocked and they use an app called WeChat instead. No matter which instant messaging platform you have, ask other expats to help you join the relevant expat communities. They usually share relevant local information, discuss service givers, and function as an online community that can also have physical social gatherings. Lastly, I have to mention the big social expat websites, Internations and expat.com. I have never used their services myself, so I can't say much about them, but they take pride in many members worldwide, and it's worth checking them out. They also conduct research on expats and have some articles that can help us learn more about our host city or country, or generally on expats. For example, the research I mentioned earlier was from Internation's 2015 article titled Making Friends Abroad, which is based on their 2015 survey. Making local friends is perfectly possible too, and in my experience, it is usually related to your lifestyle. There are no magic tricks here. If you will have shared activities with locals, you'll connect with them. If you'll stay in the expat bubble, you probably won't. It's just a decision you make, usually without even thinking about it. In order to make new friends quickly, we have to be proactive. Join a local expat community. Play a team sport or group yoga. Learn the local language in a group. Take your kids to school and talk to the other parents in the playground. These activities may help you find some interesting people you can connect with. People who share new and unique experiences with you in this new chapter of your life. Your new friends. I'd like to conclude in appreciation and thankfulness to all the great people I've met while abroad. You know who you are, and I hope our paths will cross again.